Welcome to howtobackdrop.com. I'd like to tell you about drush command backdrop subtheme basis today. And with this command we can automate the creation of subtheme of basis. So in this blog post here on backdropcms.org, we got Wes's blog post, how to build subtheme of basis. What I've done is taken this blog post and turn it into a drush command to automate a lot of these steps that you have to do to get the right files into the right places. So this is a default vanilla backdrop install 1.16.1, and what we're going to do is introduce you to this command. So this vanilla install, the themes directory here is empty, just got the readme that comes with backdrop CMS. So this is spun up in Lando environment, but any backdrop development environment you have will work just fine. So if we do help subtheme basis, the full command is backdrop-subtheme-basis, but I've got these aliases here. Subtheme basis SB is the nice short one I like to use. So we've got some examples. If you just type drush SB, you'll be prompted for the information you need to create the subtheme. If you want to pass in the name flag, you can pass in the name directly to make that subtheme happen. So that's pretty easy. So Lando drush subtheme basis, and it's going to ask for a name. I'll call it Jeff, and you can see that it's created the Jeff theme for us. So if we look in the themes directory now, you see that we have the Jeff subdirectory, and it's got the things copied over from the basis core theme that we need to create a subtheme. So now if we go to appearance, you see that we have the Jeff theme available. So I can enable that, set that to default, and since it's a subtheme, it looks exactly like basis, no difference. So we can take a look at using that. So now that we've got these files over here, go to CSS, and this is no different than theming as it's ever been. So if we want to affect the header, you see the background is blackish. I'm going to try set it to white just for example, and set the foreground color here to black because we'll be able to see the text if it's white on white. And go ahead and refresh. Oops, those are links. So here we'll set the links to 0E. There you go. So just like that, you can subtheme basis and get going on your theming and your backdrop projects, and save a little bit of time by automating those steps. Thanks for watching.